Never showed you in the last video the data going in. Just a quick run through again, make sure that it goes all right. et@mail.com. This time I'm going to choose female and say lights down, or make a few mistakes there. Lights down, select country there, in USA, click submit, click OK, and you can see that my data has gone in all okay. Now, one of the problems that comes around with this validation, so if I just go refresh, pick up all the default settings again, is if I don't put anything in at all. So click submit. So at the moment, when I click OK, and I check my Firebase, I can see there that I am getting incorrect data being sent to my Firebase. Now, I don't want this kind of data, so that's where the validation comes in. So let's see, can we sort this out a little bit in the next video.